Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add email in Telegram. So let's get started. So if you want to add your email in Telegram, so to do that what you can do is just simply open up your Telegram application, and after opening up your Telegram application just tap on the three bar icon which is on the top left, and from here just tap on settings and then tap on privacy and security, and inside here just tap on two-step verification, and you just have to enter your account's password. After entering your account's password, just tap on that arrow which you can find on the right side of your screen, and after tapping on that, now you can just simply add an email address. So just tap on change recovery email. So you can add an email address, you can change your email. So I have already added an email address, so now I'll just show you by changing it. So now in order to change it, what you can do is just simply add an email address that you want to change with, and after doing that just tap on the arrow which is on the right side of your screen, and now you'll receive the code in the following email address. So just simply open up your email account and then copy the code from here, and after copying it just simply paste it over here, and now you will successfully be added. So just tap on OK, and now you have successfully added the email address on your Telegram account. So that's it guys, this is how to add email in Telegram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.